Good morning. Welcome back. Now we are discussing a concept of pressure gradient inside a star. And here we are deriving an expression for the pressure gradient. Let us consider a star which is made up of number of particles, and these particles are being distributed in space. Let us consider a thin spherical shell of outer radius. You can see here this is the spherical shell. The outer radius of the spherical shell being R1 and the inner radius being R2. And this spherical shell is inside the star which is in spherical shape. And thickness of this spherical shell is therefore dr, that is equal to R1 minus R2. Volume of this shell is given by the expression dV is equal to 4 by 3 pi R1 cube minus R2 cube, or dV is equal to 4 by 3 pi R1 plus, so in place of R1 we are writing R2 plus dr, and therefore it becomes R2 plus dr whole cube minus R2 cube, and therefore dV is equal to 4 pi 2 r square dr. And expanding this expression and cancelling with this R2 cube and left behind, final result is dV is equal to 4 pi r2 square dr. Dr square and dr cube terms are neglected as dr itself is small, its square and cube will be very small, and therefore dr square and dr cube terms are neglected. And mass of that shell is dm, that is equal to rho dV, that is equal to 4 pi r2 square rho dr. The rho is the density of the material of the star, and this shell feels a pull from the gravitational mass inside R2. The gravitational pull will be towards the center of the star on this ring, on this shell, and therefore that gravitational force is given by F shell is equal to minus gm dash dm divided by R2 square. Negative sign indicates that the force is directed towards the center of the star, and m dash is the mass of matter inside the spherical or inside the sphere of radius R2. Also, the ideal gas particles and radiation exert an outward force on the inner surface of the shell, and that outward force is given by the expression F2 is equal to P2 into 4 pi R2 square, where P2 is the outward pressure on the inner surface of the spherical shell of radius R2. Similarly, there is an inward force on the outer surface of the shell due to the matter present outside the spherical shell of radius R1, and that is given by the expression F1 is equal to minus P1 into 4 pi R1 square. And P1 is the inward pressure on the outer surface of the spherical shell of radius R1. Now the net force is therefore dF net is equal to P2 4 pi R2 square minus P1 4 pi R1 square minus Gm dash dm by R2 square. This is the outward pressure. This is the outward force on the inner surface. This is the inward force on the outer surface, and this is the inward force on the inner surface. The outward is taken as positive. This is taken as positive, the outer force, and the two inner forces are taken as negative. This is the outer force which is acting on the inner surface of the spherical shell of radius R2. And the second term or the second quantity is the inward force acting on the outer surface of the spherical shell of radius r1. Third quantity is the inward force again acting on the inner surface of the spherical shell of radius r2. And therefore, if r1 is nearly equal to r2 and each is equal to r, then this expression becomes d of net is equal to p2 minus p1 into 4 pi r square minus gm dash dm by r square. But d of net is equal to a shell into dm, or a shell is equal to df by dm, or it is p2 minus p1 4 pi r square divided by dm minus gm dash by r square. So here we have the dm. I take this quantity dm to the denominator of d of net, and therefore it becomes p1 minus p2 is nothing but dp, and therefore a shell is equal to minus dp by dr into 1 by rho minus gm dash by r square. And this is from equation 2, and here we have equation 2. You can see here dm by dr is equal to 4 pi r2 square rho. Dm by dr is 4 pi r2 square rho. And therefore it becomes, or finally, if a shell is equal to 0, then we have the heterostatic equilibrium condition, and therefore dp by dr is equal to minus of gm dash rho by r square, minus gm dash rho by r square. Now this quantity dp by dr is called the pressure gradient. Thank you.